In this video, I'll show you how to fix Fortnite already associated with a different account. Now, why this happens is usually if you play Fortnite on a PS4 or on your Xbox or something, when you open up the game, it's gonna ask you to create an account. And if you just press skip and stuff, it's gonna automatically create one for you with your email. Now, if you do that and then you make a new Epic Games account, then you suddenly have two accounts. So it's already linked to your Xbox or PS4, and we need to unlink it. So what you want to do is head over to the Epic Games website, press sign in, and choose whatever console you have been using. So let's say you use the Xbox. You're going to click Xbox and it's going to sign you in. Then what you want to do is click up here, go to account, come down here, apps and accounts, and then you want to find the Xbox one and press remove, just like it says right here. Then once it is unlinked, you can come back, come up here, sign out, and then sign into your new Epic Games account. Not the one you made on the Xbox. And then once you're on the new account, you simply just go into account, the exact same spot, apps and accounts, and then you press connect now. And then you can connect the one you just unlinked from the other account. Now that's basically how it works, guys. It's basically just disconnecting from one account and then connecting on another one. Like I said, the error usually happens because it auto creates when you use the Xbox or the PlayStation. So that's basically how it works, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.